Life feels different out here. Slowed down, and everything changes. The creek has finally settled. Coco's still on patrol, head of pest control. And the first citrus is ready. Everything grows in its own time. Even the chickens get a full nutrient boost. And they know it. Bananas are nearly ready. Even the ducks wait their turn. Moments like this make it all worth it. It's the little things. Simple food in a beautiful vintage dish discovered at the op shop. Always growing. And healing happens here. Everything we make starts here. Simple, nourishing meals. And moments to reset. This is Wildhorse Homestead.